Imagine a world where robots handle your daily chores, assist in your business, and even serve drinks at your parties. Elon Musk's Tesla Optimus Robots are here to turn that futuristic vision into reality. But how will these robots change your life? Tesla's Optimus Robots, revealed recently by Elon Musk, are humanoid robots designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from walking and babysitting to folding shirts and mowing the lawn. Optimus is Tesla's ambitious leap into the world of artificial intelligence and robotics, and Musk claims they can do anything. These robots are not just limited to household chores. They're designed to be useful in professional settings as well. Optimus Gen 2, the latest iteration of Tesla's robots, has undergone serious upgrades. With improved walking speed, precise hand movements, and even the ability to talk, these robots are becoming more lifelike and capable every day. Musk showcased their ability to walk, serve drinks, and even babysit. Imagine coming home to a robot that has already done your grocery shopping or mowed the lawn. So, how will Tesla's Optimus robots impact your life? For starters, they could free up hours of your day by handling mundane tasks like cleaning, cooking, and yard work. Whether you're a busy professional or a parent with a hectic schedule, Optimus could be a game changer. And it doesn't stop there. Businesses could use these robots for repetitive tasks, improving efficiency and reducing labor costs. In fact, Musk predicts that Optimus will eventually elevate Tesla's market value by trillions of dollars. But how much will these robots cost? Musk has estimated that the price will start between $20,000 and $30,000. While that's no small investment, considering their capabilities, they could be worth every penny, especially as more advanced features are developed. For businesses, this could revolutionize the way we think about labor and automation. Optimus robots aren't just a cool idea. They represent a major shift in how we interact with technology. Tesla is pushing the boundaries of AI, and while there are still questions about safety and efficiency, Musk believes we're on the brink of a robotic revolution. Musk even called the Optimus Robots the biggest product ever, bigger than Tesla's cars. Tesla's Optimus robots are set to change the way we live and work. Whether you're excited or skeptical, there's no denying that we're witnessing a leap forward in technology. So, what do you think? Are robots like Optimus the future, or is it too soon to tell? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to ENITECH for more insights into groundbreaking tech.